This is solar motion sensor lights, accent lighting around your home. What is it? Let's get a close-up look at what you get inside. We get an instruction booklet. It shows you that it has 3 modes with the switch on and off. It needs to be covered or charged outside. There's no power. There we go. 1, 2, 3. So you see the 3 different levels of lighting. You get self-adhesive pads, so if you want to take this off and just stick it on, versus taking some screws and bolts that go over here on the top. And do not forget to peel off the film protector on each of the solar panels. Read you some of the information. It's 188 LEDs, 120-degree angle, illuminates 270 feet at 5.5 volts, 0.55 watt, 10 feet to 17 feet sensor at a 1200 milliamp battery. It is IP65 rated for the temperatures of -20 Celsius to 60 Celsius height. It's ABS plastic. Let's go install these kits. I just did some beautiful work, and now I need some lights so I can hang up. And I think I'm going to put 2 over here or 1 over here. I'm going to simply just screw it in like so. I'm going to put 1 right over here. I'm going to place 1 over here. You can see the sun that I am blocking will start to hit it. We have the front one on mode 1, the back one on mode 3. So when we start to walk, it should sense us. And then after so many seconds, mode 3 will go off at that particular time. It could be like 20 seconds or so. We're on mode 2, which is dim, then brightens up, and then will dim back down. So what we're going to do is change this to mode 1. And that is how these solar path lights work. We'll turn the lights on, mode 1.